Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Photos on iPad, quick guide step by step clearly. To get started with Google Photos on your iPad, first, download the app from the App Store. Open the App Store and tap on the search bar. Type in Google Photos and press search. Once you find the app, tap on the Get button to download it. After the app has finished downloading, locate it on your home screen and tap to open. When you launch Google Photos for the first time, you will be prompted to sign in. Enter your Google account credentials and tap Next. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, grant the app the necessary permissions to access your photos. You will see the main interface filled with your images if you have photos stored on your device. To upload new photos, tap on the Photos tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the upload icon, usually represented by a cloud with an upward arrow. Choose the photos or videos you wish to upload from your iPad. After selecting your media, tap on Upload to begin the process. To organize your photos, you can create albums by tapping on the Photos tab. Then, select Albums and tap the plus icon to create a new album. Name your album and add photos to it from your library. To find a specific photo, use the search feature available at the top of the screen. You can search by date, location, or even the people present in your photos. To share a photo or album, tap on the desired item and select the share icon. Choose your sharing method, such as email, message, or social media. To access your backed up photos on other devices, simply log in to your Google Photos account. You can also enable automatic backup by going to the app settings. Select Backup and Sync and toggle the switch to turn it on. Adjust backup settings to suit your preferences, including photo quality and data usage. To delete any photos you no longer want, select the photo and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Always remember that deleting from Google Photos removes it from all devices synced with the account. Regularly check the Free Up Space option to clear local storage on your iPad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.